Alright, so we are here today to do a tour of the Grand Floridian. We are going to be seeing the villas here and checking them out. Oh, that's to let the wind through. And see what they have. So I'm excited to do this. Now the Grand Floridian, you can access Epcot and Magic Kingdom from the monorail. It's a quick walk as well. So it's a really great location for those kind of things. So yeah, we've never been before. We've been in the lobby at Christmas, but we have not actually gone in and seen any of the resorts. So this will be a first for us to tour around and see what there is at the Grand Floridian. Alright guys, so this is the Grand Floridian Hotel. It is a beautiful hotel. You have walking distance to the Magic Kingdom and Epcot, and it is absolutely grand, just like the name says. At Christmas they have a beautiful tree. At Easter they have all kinds of Easter eggs and special Easter stuff. They have a huge gingerbread house as well at Christmas, and it is just beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna take the elevator up and grab yes, their one building is for hotel guests and one is for villas only. So this is the GDC Villas building, I guess, and then the other one is for hotel guests. So I'm excited to see the villas because we've only been in the big lobby one over there at Christmas. So it'll be fun to see what these villas look like. Are you excited? I know, we're trying to decide which one we want to stay at. So we've been touring them to try to get an idea which one would be a good one to go stay at. Alright guys, so this is the Resort Studio. So this is the new building that they're building, right? They're going to be having a bunch of these in it?
Yes.
Okay. So you have your bathroom again. You have them separated, which is so nice. Oh, you don't get your H2O individuals. They're back in a bottle. Oh, but they're over here some. So you do get some. Nice big double sinks, which is awesome. Little spot to drop your bags and take off your shoes. And then 2 queen-size beds. Yeah. And then this looks like your little kitchenette. Yes. You got a little fridge. So there's no microwave.
There's not. However, you can request a microwave or a toaster in the room.
Oh, okay. So you can request a microwave or toaster in the room. But there isn't one actually in here. Oh, the closet's like... Wow. Wow. So this one's only going to sleep 4?
It's going to sleep 5.
Okay. Oh, because the couch comes out?
This couch is actually a day bed. So the back side of it just kind of flips over.
Very cool.
And it has a mattress, so it is actually pretty comfortable.
Okay. So then you can sleep 5. And you got that great storage underneath. I love that because I don't like unpacking my clothes. And man, if you're staying here, you are so close to the parks. Literally that walkway and you'll be there in maybe 5 minutes. You'd be at Magic Kingdom. That is a really quick
I would
walk.
say less because the first one that we did was like you could walk like
to
Magic Kingdom like 3 minutes.
Yeah, I agree.
Cold.
Your nose is cold. Oh, look at the lights. They're so pretty.
Yeah, they had a lot of detailing into this one. They brought the Mary Poppins theming over. There's hidden umbrellas and hidden Mickeys. There's the birds at the top of the chandelier there.
Oh, wow. Look at those. Those are beautiful, the glass birds up there. That is so pretty.
Mom, if you were staying here, you should try to get the monorail up there. It's going at night.
Get the picture of the monorail going across?
With fireworks?
That would be really good.
And especially if there's a full.
Are you going to be my new photographer? I love these little lights. Look at this. How clever. Okay, so we are in the 2-bedroom villa here at the Grand Floridian. I love this like Mary Poppins theme. Oh, this one's like has Dumbo too. So you got your kitchen and the little dinette area. I know. I feel, is that the fridge? Oh wow, yes. That is beautiful. And those are fridges, so there's different zones. So you have the full kitchen again. Look at that little sink, it is so cute. Square footage, this one's definitely, I feel, smaller than the other one.
A little bit. It's that Victorian style where things are more like closed off and have their
like
own
the old,
yeah.
Yeah. So how many does this one sleep?
It in total sleeps 9 people.
9 people. So it's the same.
Yes.
So you have a pull down, you have the bed here. I love how they do the artwork in there. It's just so adorable. And then you have the pull down bed. Okay, go the other way. Which one? Oh, the 3-bedroom villa?
Bedroom, yeah.
Yeah, why are we not turning? So you got your pull down right here. I know, I'm going against you. And again, this is a lagoon view. Look at that. It's pretty choppy today. It is windy. I was surprised how windy it was, but beautiful view. And then that would be the Polynesian over there. And there are friendship boats or just the monorail?
So they do have the boats that go from Polynesian and Grand Floridian.
Okay, so yeah, you can take the boats over as well as the monorail. So you've got a couple options, and of course the buses for transportation. And you can walk. Honestly, you guys, we have walked from Magic Kingdom to here, and it is not a long walk at all. So a really great option as well. And then you've got your queen size. So you've got 2 in there, 1 pull down, and then you've got, or king size. This would be a king size. That's the closet you want. You miss your walk-in closet, huh? Yeah. A nice big closet. Oh my gosh, like the artwork again is so beautiful. It's so cute. Push that. Or pull that one, okay. And then you got your big soaker tub. Beautiful tub. And huge, big walk-in shower with that beautiful rain head again. They seem to all have that. And oh, it loops back around. Okay, so you can access it from both ways. So you got all your amenities here. You got the stacking washer and dryer. I'm telling you guys, when we are on vacation, those things are such a wonderful thing to have. And then this would be the other half. So, would this be normally a studio then?
So it's very similar to what a studio would look like. There's a couple of changes. It would have the kitchenette. It would have a pull down instead of both with the standard beds.
Gotcha.
And it would also have a single pull down. So
okay.
It's like 5 on that side.
Okay. Very cool. So this one you can lock off, but it's not an individual because it doesn't have a kitchenette. We're going the other way. Whoa. It does. Oi. And then we've got, I know my thing's mad at me. And again, a beautiful balcony area to look out. I love this. All right. So that is the 2-bedroom that sleeps 9. Again, the convenience of being able to walk to both Magic Kingdom. I don't think you can walk to Epcot. It's too far. But you can walk to Magic Kingdom. You can take the monorail to Epcot. And that is such a great way to do that. So those are so cool. All right. And then, of course, the hidden Mickey. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the 1, 2, 3-bedroom and studio and resort studios at the Grand Floridian. It is such a beautiful resort and it is definitely a must stay for us. I hope you guys will check it out, and if you guys are interested in DVC, please contact Jordan. She was absolutely amazing and we absolutely loved her. So thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye for now. All right, so this is going to be the 3-bedroom villa at the Grand Floridian. Now, we can show you guys some of it, but some of it is actually being used right now for office. So you have your full kitchen again. And then that's a nice size kitchen too. And then you got your living room. And how many does it sleep?
It's 12.
12. Yes. And then this is the media.
So that is the primary bedroom.
Wow.
Oh, look at the buttons they got.
That is so
it has been converted into an office right now.
But normally there would be, oh, look at those chairs. I took those home. So normally there would be a king size bed in here. And then you have the huge.
And the bathroom is massive.
Huge bathroom. Wow. Look at that tub. And then the huge walk-in shower. And then the separate bathroom. And then you got your closets. And then on the other end, you would have 2 more bedrooms.
And then the media room bathroom.
So does the media room have, oh, look at these. You got your shower again and separate toilet area. So is there a bed in the media room, or is it?
A pull-out. It's just
Okay.
2.
Okay. So you can't actually sleep in here. So you have a pull-out. That couch is really pretty. That we like. I
Yeah,
probably shouldn't have said that. All right, so you've got another bathroom down here. That would basically be the bathroom for, this would be again a bedroom, but it's not set up like that. It's set for an office right now. And this would have, it looks like 2 queen size beds.
Yes.
Okay, so you'd have 2 queen size beds. I know those chairs are adorable. And then this would be a queen or a king?
2 queen sizes.
2 queen size, and it looks like it probably has, yep, it has a connected bathroom. So every bedroom has its own bathroom, which is really nice, and 2 of them have connected bathrooms.
This opens up.
It's probably the cleaning, like the air conditioner. It's Narnia. So that would be the 3-bedroom villa at the Grand Floridian.